Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now when I got my tripod all set up with the phone holder, I can start making some more awesome videos. The channel is gonna be about everything in life, but mostly about cars. And as much as I like real cars, I like car models as well. So in more videos from now on, you're gonna see some amazing car models, and if you are into collecting them, you'll find the channel very interesting. The first car model that I'm gonna present you is this very rare Mercedes SLR McLaren Roadster by Bburago. Usually I don't like opening the boxes of the models. I like to keep them new in box, but this time I'm gonna make an exception, and for first time I'll take the SLR out of the box. As you can see, this is the first time ever that the box is being taken out. Okay, carefully. Okay, here we go, almost there. A little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, as you can see, this is the Bburago Plus series, and it has the nice plastic box. Now let's go further and open the box. The model looks good from any angle, and you can film videos with it all day long. The color is the very rare dark gray metallic. It does have the two-tone interior with red and black. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, please subscribe for more car model videos to come up soon. Thanks for watching.